Alright, here I got this product review, this remote control car that I just got in the mail today. I'm really surprised at the quality. It's like awesome quality. I got it from eBay. It's only like $20. It's a small one. I didn't know it was going to be this small. When I received it in the package, it's a small one, so it's like super small. Comes with this remote, it looks like a PlayStation remote control. And this thing has like 5 different gears, so it goes like really fast, you know. It's pretty amazing like how fast it goes. So I'm gonna have like my son show you the quality of it. Make sure you don't.
Okay.
Go. You see how fast that goes? That's not even the fastest speed either. It has 5 different speeds. So this is definitely like really cool. Learn how to move backwards, Keo.
I know how to do it.
Here, give it to Angelina. Yeah. So this one's awesome. I really like it a lot, and it's a good value too. You could charge the car with a USB. The controller takes 3 or 6 AA batteries. It's like really cool remote control car, like super fast, 5 different speeds.